Right, in today's class is Mendeleev's periodic table and its achievements and its features also we'll see in that classification of elements. So after the Newland's laws of octaves, that was also not successful to all. He was some failures are there. First failure is there, some same elements kept in the same box, dissimilar elements kept in the same box, and only 56 elements only. He told that remain elements, if next elements will come, what will happen, where should keep, that is all he did not explain. So that's why another table should require to that. That only Mendeleev's periodic table. Next one. So Mendeleev's also arranged the elements known at that time in a chart in a systematic order in the increasing order of their atomic weights. How he arranged means according to the atomic weight. So this one atomic weight, according to atomic weight. He divided the chart into 8 vertical columns. He divided chart into 8 vertical columns that are called groups. That vertical columns only called as groups, and each group divided into subgroups again. Subgroups A, B. These are the subgroups. Each group divided into subgroups A, B as usual. So each column contained elements of similar chemical properties. In each column, similar chemical properties are arranged in it. So he is Mendeleev's arranged. The elements in the first column, for example, you take means which is reacting with oxygen to form the compounds with the general formula R2O, which is action revolving with the oxygen reaction. For example, LiO, Na, first group. So Li reacting with LiO, lithium oxide will come, NaO, sodium oxide will come, like that it will do. So second and K2O respectively also will get. So elements for the second column react with the oxygen to form the compounds with the general formula RO also. So Li2O, Na2O here will get. Next RO, here R2 no, R2 Li2 will get. RO means only single one will get. So Be example you can take Be, R will get O, BeO, Mg also you can take MgO, magnesium oxide. So that is the according to like that he arranged. So based on the Mendeleev's observations regarding the properties of elements in the periodic table, according to his law, periodic law of the properties element was proposed as follows. What is that means? The law states that the physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic functions of according to their atomic weights. So means Mendeleev's law stating that physical and chemical properties of elements according to their atomic weights. Means his table was arranged as according to the atomic weights. So you can see in the page number 132 also the table of Mendeleev's table. So his features and achievements you will see. What are the features of Mendeleev's periodic table? So we told already he divided as a groups and subgroups. So there are 8 vertical columns in the Mendeleev periodic table that are called as groups, and they are represented by Roman numerals. Groups are represented by Roman numerals. Groups are represented by Roman numerals. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are vertical columns. First group, second group, third group, like that. So, and again, elements present in the given vertical column, that is a groups have similar properties. These elements are all having the similar properties. So each group is divided into again 2 subgroups AB. This is divided into AB, 1B, 1A, 1B. This is also 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B, 4A, 4B, like that divided. So the elements within any subgroups resemble one another to the great extent. For example, 1A elements called the alkali metals resemble each other very much in their properties. So in each subgroup, elements having the similar properties according to the Mendeleev's, like that he arranged. So next one, that is the groups and subgroups. Next, periods. Horizontal rows in the Mendeleev's, like this is there, horizontal rows. 7 rows are there, 1 to 7 Arabic numerals are also arranged. That horizontal rows according to the Mendeleev periodic table are called periods. What are that horizontal rows? Periods. So vertical columns are called as groups. Horizontal rows are called periods. That there are 7 periods are there. That 1 to 7 he arranged. 1 to 7 he arranged that. So elements in a period differ in their properties from one another. పీరియడ్స్లో ఉన్నటువంటి ఎలిమెంట్స్ అన్నీ వాటికి ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రాపర్టీస్ డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటాయని చెప్తారు. ఇందాక గ్రూప్స్లో ఉన్నటువంటి ఎలిమెంట్స్ సిమిలర్ ప్రాపర్టీస్తో ఉంటాయి, పీరియడ్స్లో అయితే డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటాయని చెప్తున్నాడు. ఎలిమెంట్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ ఇన్ ద పీరియడ్ డిఫర్ ఇన్ దేర్ ప్రాపర్టీస్, డిఫరెంట్ ఇన్ దేర్ ప్రాపర్టీస్. సో ఏ పీరియడ్ కంప్రైజెస్ ద ఎంటైర్ రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ elements after which properties repeat themselves. So next, that is one. Third one, second one will take means third one, that predicting the properties of missing elements. So some elements are missed, so that properties also he told, missed elements properties also told, means next this type of features elements may come, like that he is saying. అంటే నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేటువంటి ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఈ రకమైనటువంటి ప్రాపర్టీస్లో రావచ్చు అనేది కూడా మెండలీవ్ చెప్తున్నాడు. బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద అరేంజ్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ ది ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఇన్ ద టేబుల్ హీ ప్రిడిక్టెడ్ దట్ సమ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ వర్ మిస్సింగ్ అండ్ లెఫ్ట్ బ్లాంక్ స్పేసెస్ అట్ ద అప్రాపరియేట్ ప్లేసెస్ ఇన్ ద టేబుల్. సో అతను ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేసి ఎక్కడ రావాలని ఆ ప్లేస్ కూడా వదిలిపెట్టాడు. ఈ రకమైనటువంటి ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఇక్కడ రావచ్చు అని అక్కడ బాక్సులు ఖాళీగా కూడా వదిలిపెట్టేసినాడు. That is one feature, silent feature of Mendeleev's. And Mendeleev believed that some new elements may be discovered definitely. He predicted the properties of that new elements also in advance only, depending on his table, according to his table. So his predicted properties were almost the same as the observed properties of those elements after this discovery. సో అతను ఏమైతే చెప్పినాడో మ్యాక్సిమం కొత్త ఎలిమెంట్స్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత కూడా అదే రకమైనటువంటి ప్రాపర్టీస్ వచ్చినాయి అని చెప్తున్నాడు. So maximum same elements what he expected the properties was discovered after his table. So he named those elements tentatively by adding the prefix eka. That time only he kept name also, prefix eka name he kept, prefix starting will come. So eka is a Sanskrit word that is means one numeral word to the name of the element immediately above it. So the predicted properties of element, namely eka boron, eka aluminum and eka silicon, were closely to the observed properties of scandium, gallium and germanium. So he told the properties eka boron, eka aluminum, eka silicon. Third one eka silicon. So for this eka boron, what it is, scandium is there, eka aluminum, gallium is there, eka silicon, germanium is there. So after discovered, he got everyone same properties according to that. Maximum atomic weight of eka aluminum is 68 is there according to that. eka silicon is 72 is there, gallium 69.72 which is discovered to the this one atomic weight of this one, and germanium also 72.59 is there. So same however he discovered whatever he told properties, that properties only came. So next, correction of atomic weights. Mainly it is the one more feature of this Mendeleev's correction of atomic weights. What is the correction of atomic weights in settling? So first feature is groups, subgroups, second is periods, third one predicting the processing of missing elements. Missed elements. Fourth one, correction of atomic weights. Atomic weights kuda konni wrong unte vaatini kuda correct chestunadu. So what is that? The placement of the elements in the Mendeleev's periodic table helped in the correcting of the atomic masses of some elements like beryllium, indium, gold, like etc. So according to the table, some elements atomic weight also corrected. For example, at the time of Mendeleev, beryllium was given atomic weight is 13.5. So Mendeleev time lo beryllium atomic weight 13.5 ఇచ్చినారు. Atomic weight actually how will you measure means equivalent weight into valency, that is. So equivalent weight of beryllium means approximately experimentally found that 4.5. Equivalent weight 4.5 into what it tell you valency. So valency was started at 3 that time. So 3 4 12, 3 is 13.5 you got it. So with this atomic weight it had to be placed in the wrong group in the table. 13.5 will get means it has to be in the wrong group. So that's why he said that Mendeleev said that its valency is should be only 2. Beryllium valency should be only 2. Then its atomic weight we make it as 9. 4.5 into 2 atomic weight. So valency, that is atomic weight will get the 9. Then it has to be arranged in the perfect group. That is the second group, and its properties practically were similar to the magnesium and calcium etc. of the second group elements. So what he is telling means if its atomic valency is 2 means we will get the atomic weight 9. If it is 9 is there means it may arrange in the second group elements. So if you arrange it in the second group, it is its properties and second group elements properties whatever is there both are the same. Then it is fitted to the second group element. So like Mg, magnesium, calcium etc. So he also helped in the calculation of the correct atomic weights of the indium and gold also same manner only. Same పద్ధతిలోనే gold indium యొక్క atomic weight కూడా correction చేయబడింది. That is the fourth one. Next, fifth feature is that anomalous series. Anomalous series. So some anomalous series of elements like beryllium, indium are also observed in the table. Anomalous series contained elements with more atomic weight is like beryllium placed before the elements with less atomic weights like indium. Anomalous series అంటే ఎక్కువ అటామిక్ వెయిట్ ఉన్నటువంటివి తక్కువ అటామిక్ వెయిట్ కంటే ముందు పెట్టడం ఎలిమెంట్స్. సో anomalous series means which is keeping the more atomic weight number is first in the periodic table. So less atomic weight was kept after that more atomic weight. That is the wrong value. So that is it. So it was extraordinary thinking Mendeleev that made the chemist to accept the periodic table and recognize Mendeleev more than anyone else as the originator of the periodic law. So extraordinary explained అని చెప్తున్నాడు, చాలా బాగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసినాడు. సో యాక్సెప్టబుల్ అయింది ఇతని యొక్క periodic table అని చెప్పేసి చెప్తున్నాడు మ్యాక్సిమం సమ్ డేస్. సో బట్ సమ్ limitations are there. Limitations of Mendeleev also. Anomalous pair of elements. Certain elements of highest atomic weight proceeded those with lower atomic weight. That only one problem. అంటే anomalous series elements చేయడం కూడా ఇతని యొక్క లిమిటేషన్ కిందకి వస్తుంది. Dissimilar elements. So anomalous pair of elements also one limitation of modern, that is the Mendeleev periodic table. Next, one more limitation also is there. Dissimilar elements placed together. He arranged dissimilar properties లేనటువంటివి, dissimilar properties ఉన్నటువంటివి ఒకే గ్రూప్లో సబ్ గ్రూప్ ఏ సబ్ గ్రూప్ బిలో అరేంజ్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లిథియం, సోడియం, పొటాషియం, లైక్ దట్ ఒకే గ్రూప్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ అన్నిటిని. సో లైక్ కాపర్, సిల్వర్, ఆరం 1B గ్రూప్తో కలిపి అరేంజ్ చేస్తారు. దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో వన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ with the Mendeleev's periodic table. So that also some limitations are there. After that modern periodic table was came, that is H.J. Moseley was discovered a modern periodic table that we will discuss in the next class.